All right. So Floyi has been updated to version 1.8, and we have some pretty sweet updates this time. It's going to save you a lot of time and a lot of credits too. So let's take a quick look. First, we have some brand foundation changes. Then we have some audience insights, topical research, topical maps, content briefs, basically across the board. Okay. Let's just go ahead and start off at the bottom here with the sidebar and UI. So here, it used to be a little drop down here, but we laid it out to the right now so that you get a better look and you're able to more easily and quickly add brands and take a quick overview of what brands and projects you have. Then in brand foundation, we've now added the ability to export to a Word doc. We've also added regeneration notes here. So if you want to adjust something with your brand, this is the place to do it. So let's say you are rebranding this to, let's say, Virginia Chiropractic Center, and your new website is VA. Okay, so with those directions, now when you regenerate your brand, you'll be now the Virginia Chiropractic Center. Let's give it a second. So here we go. The Virginia Chiropractic Center, Virginia Chiro Center, health services across Virginia. So it's really easy, makes it a lot easier to regenerate and get more directed brand foundations. All right. So the next thing that we did is we redesigned the audience insights page. So instead of a big list of buyer personas and having to open and click them accordion style, now we have the list on the left and you can get all the information here in the right panel. It's a lot easier. And you're also able to select all and export the selected ones into a Word doc now as well. Or you can just go ahead and export all. It's a lot easier to put them in reports for clients or anywhere else that you need. So our next section, topical research. Let me switch to one where it is not locked yet. All right, so say we have all these topics, lots of subtopics, and especially subtopic fours. We have 685 of them. Now, you don't want to generate 685 sets of keywords. So here is what we can do now. Now, when you click on generate keywords, you get a little pop-up here, right? You can select what kind of keywords you want. You want commercial generative intent keywords or informational keywords, or you get info and commercial keywords, or all three types. And then you can select from here, go through the hierarchy and select which keywords you want to create subtopics for. Let's say you want everything under chiropractic care for improving immune function, right? Or all you want is keywords for inflammation reduction. And you can see what topics are selected here as you select them. So then you just click generate keywords and off you go. And we'll give it a second here to get those keywords generated. All right. And now let's just scroll to the top. And here we go. Keywords for inflammation reduction. Okay, so you can see some of the generative keywords here with design, a treatment plan, create a treatment plan. Then you have some of the commercial and informational. Then next update we did is back over in the topical map section. Okay, after it loads up, now you'll see we already have everything here with the topical hierarchy, but what we've done now, let me clear the hierarchy. We have a brand new way to generate a hierarchy here that relies a lot more on compute power. So all you need to do is click generate hierarchy. And then once it's done generating the hierarchy and organizing all the topics, it will automatically sort. We've removed that extra sort button because it only made sense. It didn't really make sense for you to need to click sort. But if you do change the hierarchy around after you make some edits and everything, you can still resort. And we've moved the sort button down just above the table. I'll show you where. This new hierarchy does take a little bit more time, but it's a lot more reliable. It's a lot more stable. The output is a lot better. Okay, so there you saw the sort. Now everything is sorted just like the previous hierarchy button. And if you do want to sort, and here's the button to resort, if you do change any of the hierarchy around with the edit. And the last big update we did was with content briefs. You'll notice that your briefs are getting generated a lot faster, especially if you have a lot of sections. And you also notice that the sections are much more aligned with your brand, your audience, and the competitor content. All right. So that is version 1.8.0. Log in, give it a try, and I'll see you next time.